Here are the top 3 common mistakes people often make with the Forever Living Products (FLP) business opportunity, along with tips on how to avoid them. 1. Lack of consistency in daily actions. Mistake. Many new associates start enthusiastically but lose momentum when they don't see immediate results. They may skip daily activities like reaching out to new prospects or following up. Solution. Commit to a daily routine. Treat FLP like any other business and stick to a consistent daily schedule. Set achievable goals, such as reaching out to 3 to 5 people every day and following up with 2 prospects. Building consistent habits is essential for long-term success. 2. Not fully understanding the products. Mistake. Some associates don't take the time to learn about FLP's product range or use them personally, which makes it difficult for them to promote the products effectively. Solution. Become a product expert. Use the products yourself to build genuine belief in them. Invest time in learning about each product's benefits and how they address customer needs. Attend product training sessions and read up on product materials to build confidence when speaking to customers. 3. Focusing only on sales instead of building a team. Mistake. Some people focus solely on selling products rather than building a team. While sales generate immediate income, growing a team creates long-term passive income. Solution. Balance sales with team building. Develop a team by sharing the FLP business opportunity with others. Aim to sponsor a few quality team members each month and help them duplicate your efforts. This approach builds a solid foundation for passive income and sustainable growth.